All right, welcome to Spoolheads Racing. I am here in my unfinished basement. We're gonna start building a track. Really excited for you guys to join us. This video was technically recorded in the future, meaning I did the build video and then realized I never really welcomed you guys. So welcome, I'm really glad you joined us. I got a lot of different videos planned for the channel, so enjoy this one and come back. I got a lot more videos My daughter's laughing at me because I really don't know what I'm doing with this. This is weird, talking to my phone. Should I be talking to my phone? Is that healthy? Well, enjoy this one. Might be the last. Here's my plans. I've got a start gate here. Comes down into a chicane over a bridge and then out of a chicane and then into what I'm calling the butterfly turn. The butterfly turn actually puts them back through a tunnel because it's directly underneath the track above it. So I've got to figure that out. We have a drop. Hopefully we catch some rally style air off of a, not necessarily jump, but just a drop. And this is where it transitions to open track. I'm gonna call it 85mm open track. Then we're gonna come over to a Crash Racers open track turn, some ups and downs, to another Crash Racers and then drop down and find the big air finish. Thank you 3D for that idea. You're great, thank you. All right, I got the frame done. The 3D printer ran out of filament on this turn. So this is what's left. I had to start that over, but it's a good time to just check it out to make sure that it's the right size. I think that it's gonna work out well. I got 4 of those I gotta get printed. So we'll go from there. Let's get these legs on. Should have charged the battery. All right, I told you this was in the future, so here it is. Ta-da! All right, so here is the printer. It's printing, and this time I made sure I had plenty of filament. So it should be done, and I should be able to get another one going soon. Be sure to like and subscribe, like all YouTubers say. That really helps the channel. Got a lot of different videos planned. Hope you'll enjoy it, and we'll see you soon.